Hey everyone, welcome to our walk along White Rock Creek Trail at Winnwood Park, a peaceful green escape nestled right in the heart of Dallas, Texas. Today we're taking you on a relaxed, immersive journey through shaded paths, alongside flowing creek waters, and into the charm of a neighborhood park that feels like a hidden oasis within the city. Whether you're here to walk, bike, run, or simply breathe in nature's calm, this trail and park offer a refreshing break from the everyday. My goal is to help you see and feel this place, like you're right here with me. The park is located at 5580 Beltline, R&D, Dallas, TX 75254. As we begin our stroll, notice how the city sounds fade and nature takes the lead. Tall trees arch overhead, casting cool shadows on the paved path. Dappled sunlight dances with every rustle in the leaves. On your right, White Rock Creek meanders quietly, adding its soft, steady chorus, an ever-present backdrop that makes this spot feel like a tranquil forest trail, despite being so close to urban life. The trail here is part of a larger network that runs alongside White Rock Creek, stretching through Dallas's Greenbelt and connecting several parks and neighborhoods. This path is well maintained and mostly level, making it ideal for a wide range of trail enthusiasts, from families with strollers to seasoned cyclists. On any given day, you'll see walkers pausing to take a deep breath, joggers finding their rhythm, and bicyclists gliding smoothly along the trail. The trees frame the creek in such a way that it feels like a natural retreat, as if you're deeper in the woods than you really are. It's the kind of place that moves at your pace, calm, unhurried, and quietly beautiful. Look around, and you'll notice more than just trees. Birds call to one another from the treetops. Woodpeckers tap rhythmic beats on trunks, and squirrels dart playfully through the underbrush. In the warmer months, butterflies and dragonflies dance near the creek's edge. In early morning or late afternoon, the sunlight angles just right, highlighting soft golden hues on the trail and casting stunning reflections off the creek surface. Perfect for photographers and nature lovers alike. As we enter Winnwood Park, the scenery opens into peaceful, open green spaces. Tall, mature trees provide inviting shade, and shaded benches invite you to sit and simply take in the surroundings. One of the park's most appreciated stops is the water fountain, a practical and refreshing amenity for trail walkers, cyclists, and outdoor lovers. On hot days, it's a welcome reprieve, a place to cool off, refill, and enjoy a moment of calm before continuing your adventure. But Winnwood Park is more than just a rest stop. Its natural beauty draws people with cameras, especially couples capturing moments for engagement or wedding photos. With lush green lawns, shaded pathways, and scenic vantage points, it's become a beloved backdrop for those unforgettable portraits. This park isn't large, but it's rich with opportunities for quiet reflection, joyful laughter, and personal memories. Whether you're here to exercise or celebrate life's big moments, White Rock Creek Trail itself goes beyond Winnwood Park, forming a part of a scenic corridor that connects multiple green spaces across North Dallas. Go south and you'll reach segments that ultimately link to White Rock Lake Trail, offering longer excursions and broader views of the creek and lake environments. It's this interconnected trail system that makes White Rock Creek Trail popular with both casual walkers and long-distance cyclists. Whether you want a short nature break or a longer exploration, there's something here for everyone. The trail has its own best moments. Early mornings bring a gentle, quiet, soft light and cool air, ideal for meditation, walking, or bird watching. Late afternoon brings a warm golden glow and soft shadows that make the trail feel almost magical. After a gentle rain, the creek becomes livelier as water ripples over rocks. Just be mindful of damp spots along the path. Green spaces like this remind us how valuable nature is in urban environments. Places to reset, reflect, and simply feel present. Winnwood Park and White Rock Creek Trail blend accessibility with beauty, offering a natural haven right in Dallas's fabric. It's not about distance or speed. It's about the experience of being here, under the trees beside the creek and part of a community that values outdoor spaces. Winnwood Park may be modest in size, but it has a charm that makes it feel special. Surrounded by mature trees and connected directly to White Rock Creek Trail, the park offers a quiet, welcoming space where nature and community come together. One of the most appreciated features here is the water fountain, a simple but essential stop for walkers, runners, cyclists, and dog owners. On warm days, it becomes a natural gathering point, a place to pause, cool off, refill water, and take in the peaceful surroundings before continuing along the trail. The park's natural beauty also makes it a popular backdrop for wedding and engagement photos. The combination of tall trees, open green space, soft natural light, and the nearby creek creates a timeless setting that feels both intimate and serene. It's not uncommon to see couples dressed in formal attire, photographers carefully framing shots, and quiet moments being captured among the trees. What makes Winnwood Park special is that it doesn't try to be grand. Instead, it offers simplicity, shaded benches, open grass, flowing water nearby, and a sense of calm that makes people linger. Whether you're stopping for a drink of water, enjoying a peaceful walk, or capturing a once-in-a-lifetime moment, Winnwood Park provides a beautiful, relaxed setting right in the heart of the neighborhood. Thanks for walking with me through White Rock Creek Trail at Winnwood Park. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a peaceful escape today. Until next time, stay curious, stay active, and enjoy every step of the trail.